list, it does that. And what it does is, first of all, creates a variable, assigns it to the beginning value, and then it goes through the list and it calls the function on that accumulating value with each element. So it passes in the accumulator and the element off the list and assigns it back to this variable, and eventually when it's exhausted the list, it returns it. Okay? So I guess what I want to emphasise is that you're free to put this in your brain and never question it, because it is accurate. So as opposed to sort of sacrificing accuracy. That's all it does. It does a loop. Okay? Is that all? Yes, that's all. Alright? So if we go back to this code here, imagine I sort of said to you, here's a loop, go away and compute the product of this list of integer, so multiply them all. You're allowed to replace f and z with anything. So can anyone suggest what we might replace f and z? Because they're the arguments. Anyone? Pardon?
We just saw it.
No, you didn't. You were looking that way. So that would be multiplication, and that would be 1. Alright? So multiplication and 1. And so what I wanted to, everyone agrees that's going to compute, multiply the whole list. And so just to sort of take this understanding of fold left, and now let's look at some actual code here, which is the Haskell code. That is actual Haskell code there. So basically passing multiplication as it spins on the list and start at 1. So do 1 times blah 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 all the way to the end, and you'll get the product of the list. Okay? Oh yeah, what about to reverse the list? So if you need to take this list and you need to reverse it, we would make this the empty list, and then as we go through this list, we would